Hey there, everybody. So, I got a brand new belt in the mail. I'm gonna do an unbox of it. Gonna look over what's in the box, go over setting it up, compare it to the belt I've been wearing, and we're gonna talk about what this belt is. This belt that I ordered in this box right here is the Kore Essentials with the X6 belt. Not belt, but buckle. So we're gonna open this box and look and see what came in there. Kind of doing this one-handed, so. All right, that's cut. Yeah, I got the tape on there because, you know, a lot of weirdos out there. So now that the tape is cut, let's go ahead and open up this box and see what's inside. I'm doing this all one-handed. So what do we get in the box? You got your core sizing instructions manual. We'll need this and go over that here in a minute. You get this, I don't know, kind of plasticky. There's felt liner in there, but the outside feels kind of like a vinyl. Carry bag for your belt, egg bag style. Set that over there. We have the buckle itself. It's the Kore, it's the X6. Your release lever here. Some set screws and the tool. Little Allen key there. Got my address on it. You don't need to see all that. The belt itself. So let's go ahead and move the box out of the way. This specific belt that I ordered is the buffalo brown leather. Just kind of working the plastic off of it real quick. It's the buffalo brown with the X6 buckle there. What makes these belts unique and special is this track system, which we'll go over here in a little bit. Get 1/4 inch adjustments on that. Tell that this belt got the core in there, which keeps it stiff and rigid. And you got size markings. So you can cut your belt to the right size. They say you want to go 4 inches or so from your pant size. So my pant size is a 36. I need to cut it to a 40. Honestly, 36s are a little loose, 34s are a little tight, and you feel like finding 35s anywhere. It is what it is. So we'll cut this to 40 and go ahead and get this set up there. Now, why did I buy the Kore Essentials belt instead of just continuing to wear the belt that I've been wearing? Well, because the belt I've been wearing is made by Mission Made, and it's not really a gun belt. This flexible black strap here is, well, it's too flexible. Like I can just twist this. This is good for like an everyday belt, but not an EDC belt when you're carrying a gun. It might work if, like, I don't know, you carry something extremely lightweight, like a little Ruger LC9 or a P365. But when you're carrying something that's 2.5 pounds, you know, knock it on like 33, 34 ounces, like my SIG M18 right here. Yeah, you need something that's a little bit stiffer. But I'm going to do a review on this belt just because here in a bit, and why I've replaced it with the new Kore. This isn't a bad belt, it's just not optimal for what I was using it for. Everyday belt when you're not carrying, sure, it works great for that. But enough of that, we'll set that aside. So, I'm going to need to get something to cut this bad boy. So I'm going to put you down for a minute and come back and we'll cut this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a test cut. See if, make an attempt at cutting it with a pair of normal scissors. So I'm going to cut this a little bit bigger than what I'm actually going to cut it at. But I want to see if everyday scissors will even cut this stuff. So the very end of the belt here. Nope, them are breaking. Yeah, them are breaking. So let's not use those. Grab something a little stronger. We're back. Something a little stronger. Yeah. Alright, well, those will do it. So let's actually cut the size. Now I took the belt, kind of running around my race with it, and I might go a little smaller than 40. Might cut it at 39 because the buckle itself adds like an inch or so. So I'm going to cut it there at the 39 mark, and that's where I'm going to set it up at. Yeah, just like that. Now let's go ahead and throw this buckle on here. Got a couple of set screws already in there. So let's grab our little Allen key that came in here. I know this is so janky the way I'm doing this, but I use the GoPro, but my GoPro's dead. One set screw. Two set screws. Now, put the belt into the buckle, like so. Push it all the way in, make sure it's in there good. And then what you do is you take this lever and you lock her down. It's gonna be a little stiff because you gotta push it into that liner. Once it's in there, put your set screws back in. And you want to tighten these all the way down. it's tight. Snug up the second one here. Just like so. Now it's installed. Got the Buffalo Brown with the X6 buckle on it. Show you this track system here. How this clicks. Well, I might need to help to give you a little light. There you go. Insert it in. You can hear how that clicks. It's a 1/4 inches at a time. And to release, just hit your little lever there. It pulls it back out. Just like such. Show you from the front. Yeah. Now let's go ahead and actually try it on and see. Now compare it to how my other belt was. Hey there everybody, I just want to give you a slight update about the Kore Essentials belt. I had recorded the fit and wear and me sliding the firearm and belt with its holster and everything. I didn't like how that footage turned out, so that's gonna get re-recorded for part 2 and uploaded at a later date when I got more time and wear with the belt and more experience with it to give you a proper review of that. So stay tuned for part 2 and I'll catch you all in the next video.